Nice, we have both lights working now, and no problem. Low beam, high beam, and you're safe to go back on the road. This is Nissan Xterra 2000, same for Nissan Frontier, and we're going to replace the light bulb. On the driver's side, low beam light doesn't work, and I already know that's a bulb issue. Let's go and confirm that problem. Turn your lights on and check it out. No light, and we have a low beam at the passenger side, but nothing on this side. Let's turn lights to the high beam and see what we have. If you first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell. You won't miss any videos. High beam is good. Turn it off. Up your hood. On this vehicle, one light bulb has two coils, one for low beam, another one for high beam, and low beam is out, burned, and we're going to remove the light bulb. It's pretty simple. You need to lift this clip up and pull the connector out like so. Now you see this metal retainer spring. What you need to do is just push it down like so and pull it back. Now light bulb will come out. And you can see it's only will go in one position like this tab facing up. And if you look here, one coil is burned. All right, she's out. And important tip: never touch the glass part of the light bulb with your fingers, otherwise it will burn prematurely. This is a Philips, the old one is a Sylvania. They're all those good brands, and yep, I'm going to put a new one in the same way we pulled the old one out. Okay, just same way we pulled the old one out, we are going to put a new one all the way in like so. You won't turn from side to side, so check that. Okay, now time for the metal retainer spring. Push it all the way in, it click. Yeah, and then check if it's locked. Try to pull it back. All good. Now time for the connector. Same way we removed, same way we're putting everything back. Okay, align the connector and push it in. Yeah, here we go. Locked. Yeah, pull it back. You can see it's locked in place. Make sure it's fully in and locked. Let's go check it out. Turn the lights on. Position. And beauty. Boom. There we go. We got those headlights working. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Very appreciated your time. And if it was helpful, please go and subscribe. See you soon, and bye bye now.